You're gonna,
No, I don't. I'm not a member like that. No, I don't have a Lucid.
yeah, you start. I understand the Dom better now. Let me tell you something about the Dom, Stephen. How to use that Dom, man.
Hey, 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 everybody! Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Monday night My Funded Futures Asia session. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome. I hope everybody had a great day here today. What a cabooshin at the end of the day. But we're seeing a lot of the tech names here gapping up. Dell's up about 15 after hours here. You can see the likes of Hewlett Packard. Let me see Hewlett here. HPQ. If I could type, of course. HPQ is up. You can see here up after hours here. Was it HPE? Is it? No, HPE. Is it the symbol HPE? There it is. Yeah, Hewlett Packard, HPE. Unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. Look at this. Papa Trump, of course. And then look at Dell after hours. You can see Dell closed trade up 10. SanDisk. We got Broadcom, AVGO. We're going to get another gap up here tomorrow. Broadcom up 11. Earnings are on Wednesday. Should push it over 500. How is everybody tonight? I hope everybody had a great day. Really great pattern today off the 60-minute time frame on the on NQ here. You can see NQ. Oh wow, AMD got cabooshed here. You can see on the 60-minute time frame on the Nasdaq, we were making new highs here today, and of course I don't know what the hell's going on with my system. NQ making new highs here today. MACDs could not confirm the highs right here. If you draw your horizontal line, look at this, 30,693. They got absolutely cabooshed here. 693 down 230 points. This guy who bought the S&P, Nasdaq and S&Ps here on this bar at 2 o'clock, he jumped. You can't see your charts? Okay. Denny, they can't see my charts. I don't know if Denny can hear me. Okay, game. Can't see. Okay, I just told them. Okay, they can't see the charts. Okay. Can they see it now? Okay, I'm good now. Okay, got it. Right. All right. All right. So you see here, you're pushing up to new highs here, making. You can see here the MACD's non-confirmation right here, pushing up to new highs. The non-confirmation, really great pattern there. Gold is in a buy disconnect, so we should be looking for longs on gold, believe it or not. Gold was down 90 at one point today. All right. S&P's down 17. 60-minute and 30-minute time frames getting oversold. I'd like to see if this Nasdaq can get another drop here. You can see here the 60-minute time frame on the Nasdaq getting deeply oversold. This is a really nice bull flag here. If this Nasdaq just ran here at 25, let's see if we get some type of a. I thought today was pretty. And they're off at Belmont. Okay, boom. All right, if this Nasdaq gets down to the, I would say anywhere between the 05 and 45, I would look to buy them. Gold had a little bear flag. S&Ps. Let's see if they get down to the 86.5, 92.5 range. All right, right back up. They pushed him down. How about ARM? ARM up big today. ARM. Hello from Toronto. Brad Allen, how are you? Ice Dog, Game for Play. Journey, what's going on? Mr. 21, how are you? Whether Wyatt, how are you? Wyatt, B-Tree, 420, how are you? AJ, Linda NQ, Tina. All right. Yes, sir. So I thought today was a pretty easy day, especially if you look here when the QQQs reverse to buy here on the 15-minute time frame right here. You got this beautiful, beautiful bull flag right here. That propel looks 730, 984, and you can see even here they ran about $3 and change, and ultimately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars up. They ran about $6 here. So really great pattern there. And then once you got the push up here to 745, you can see that the price to the moving average was 741. You can see the 10 bar was 741.31. You were 45 points above the 10 bar. On the I'm sorry, $4.50 above the 10 bar, and so that was why you got this big pullback here. Plus, you got the big sell divergences off the 60-minute time frames, so that was pretty damn good there. First time here in Asia, Esid, how are you? Ricky Bobby. Hey, Ricky Bobby. JC Trades, what's up? God bless you, brother. What's up, Ricky Bobby? Brad Allen, how's Toronto? Can we look at gold? Yep. I'm going to look at gold, see if gold can get some type of a pullback here. NASDAQ, 15-minute time frames, getting a little bit overbought up here. See if they can rally. Now, unbelievable. Now, I just think the market is primed for a very sharp pullback here. Hey, Labaretto, how are you? You can see even with Hewlett Packard, I mean, you saw Micron today, you saw SanDisk up over 1,800. They all got kabooshed pretty good, right? So I think that, this market is primed for a nice pullback. I don't think 7,000 is going to break, nor do I think 27,500, but I would be nice to get a pullback to 28,000, 27,800 on the NASDAQ. Rav Boys, we're doing giveaways tonight at 9:50. 9:50 is the giveaway. All right. We have Tom here from Buffalo, Joe here from Tampa, right? Tampa? Yep. Orlando, Tampa. Yep. Okay. Palm Tree Trader. There you go. The best. Yeah. Levi from Thailand is here. I know I called you every other name this week. I called him all these different names from, I don't know. He looks like all these different names, I guess. Unbelievable. Sir. What's that?
It's a 9/11.
What's that?
It's fucking hot.
Yeah. Not a bull flag. No. I want to buy it, but the 15s look like they want to roll over here. So giveaway time 9:50. 9:50. 9:50. Hey Ethan, how are you? S&P a buy? Yeah, 86.5 to 92.5 range. Why the Nasdaq's dropping? So you're pushing up here with Dell making new highs, Hewlett Packard making new highs. Tesla got slaughtered today. Tesla, unbelievable. You got Micron Micron, very, very strong today, over 1,000. Intel got cabooshed after hours, down about 80 cents. AMD down about 4. So, all right. The future of Dell. I think you got to buy the pullback on the daily on this one. You got to pull back on the daily. I think after Broadcom, Stephen, HPE. Yeah. I wrote HPQ. Those are the old symbol for Hewlett Packard, believe it or not. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern. Right. S&Ps, let's just look to sell them here at 92, 92 and a half if you bought them. All right, you long NASDAQ? Gold? Okay, not yet. I said I said 05 to 45 on the NASDAQ. Hey, Bear Trader, what's going on? Okay. Yep. Yes, sir. Gold just getting cabooshed here. There goes the NASDAQ. You didn't buy the NASDAQ?
I was setting up that.
NASDAQ just got down to 40. Okay. What's up, Shimya? How are you? Hello, Vlad. Oh, man. Between AMD today, Micron, SanDisk, S&Ps, Qs, what else? Coinbase, Tesla, Intel. I'm shot. I'm shot. I'm shot. Do you think it would be a good short sell? What would be? Johnny Fonts. What's up, Johnny Fonts? How are you? Can we long gold? I wouldn't long gold yet. I think gold's going a little lower here. I still think gold's going to 4,000. There's no way the 10-year bond is showing you right here. Where have I been? I've been here. Where have you been? Oh, Dell was wild. I mean, when you want to see a great long, I had this long here on Dell off the 15-minute time frame right here. Bought it below 51, 50 and a half, right? It was going to add more at 48 and a half and kicked it out. Where we kick it out? I think I kicked it out right here on this bar, somewhere in here. And of course, then it runs another $3 here. Unbelievable. Traded Intel from the short side today. Okay, again, Real Capital traded this beautiful bear flag on Intel right here, 113. Shorted the hell out of AMD right here. Look at AMD when it got up to the 15, 16, 17 range on AMD right here. Shorted the hell out of it. Right here, you can see 16, 17, 50, 15 to 17. We shorted the hell out of it. What else do we do? Coinbase, no. What else do we do? Microsoft, we traded long and short. Microsoft, Apple, short side. Oh my God, so many trades. My head's. It's only Monday, but you know what? You gotta love it, though, right? You gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay, are you? Gotta love it. All right.
Yeah, I did. I'm always.
Okay, there goes the gold. There goes the NASDAQ. Like the 15s would drop. 62 level on the NASDAQ. Let's get some type of a pop here. I feel the AC on. Okay, let's see if we get a push up here on the NASDAQ. on the S&P. So the 15-minute time frames, the 60s are getting oversold here. You can scale out alongs here, 30 up to 40 if you're long. You can see the 15s pushing up into this negative MACD here. Nice little bear flag. What? Nice little bear flag here on the 5-minute. See this. Gold right back up a little bit here. NASDAQ, S&Ps. Hey, Mr. Rockstar, what's going on, brother? Brother Rockstar. 31. See here, these 15s. I knew these 15s were going to roll over. Here's a mouse. Yeah,
Mouse is
okay.
way better.
Mouse is so much better,
There you go.
if you ask me. Right, very quiet here for a for a Monday night. Normally we get the markets moving here. Gold really didn't do much here. Try to see if we can get another push up here. So this is a pencil down. You normally want to short. We had so many good trades today. Oh my God. Good morning from Japan. Hey AD, how are you? Nice little pencil pattern here. 15's rolling down. Gold. Gold was down over 90 at one point today. You got to start. I want to see how you do on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Try to make your $100, 150, 200. Okay. All right. Just go in and out. Just trade it. Right. Okay. I don't care. It's an account, but you can still use it in a way that can help you. You know. 15's overbought into these negative MACDs here. All right. There you go. Market's ready for a big push down here, in my opinion. You're 900 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average. This is a monster bear flag here. S&P's traded as high as what, 76.27 today, right? And I just think live stream daily in Asia session 2. I'm here. Only till about 10 o'clock. We're here. Okay. Yes, sir. All right. Oh my God, we're so busy today. Unbelievable. Shorted GLDs. They dropped hard. Tesla was a name I should have been more involved in on Tesla. Tesla was a name I should have been involved in. These 15s really overbought here on this here.
On what?
No, when the 15s were pushing up into negative MACDs here. This was the short. I was thinking 73, 74 here. Today, I thought today was an easy day, though. I'm not. Wednesday, he dropped the link whenever he wants, but you got to make sure you sign up. What? All right, don't mention the name. Oh, then that's better. I'm doing good, Bodine. How are you? Nasdaq got up to 31. Should have shorted it up here on this bar. Gold just ran about 3. And looking at the bigger time frames, a 30-minute reverse to sell on the Nasdaq. So the 30-minute reversing to sell puts you into a sell disconnect right here. Okay, beautiful bear flag right here, and that's when this 15-minute time frame got deeply oversold. There they go. Start scaling out of longs. There you go. There you go. You out? Good job. There you go. There you go on the NASDAQ. Where's the bull? There you go. There you go. Whoa, right back down.
Right back there.
That's it. That was beautiful. Right, you got the short too? Good job. Good job on the short.
But now it's getting hot. My mind's fucking. Oh.
You're gonna put me in an orange. I'm gonna have to be. I'll be doing time in Thailand jail. You can't do that. Come on, I'm gonna get soap in your mouth.
Okay.
Come on, put a hockey puck in your mouth. Here. Come on, you can't do that.
I know.
You're gonna put.
I know.
Thank God I know. Thank God people know Papa Trump. I know. He'll bail me out. You can't do that. Come on. Oh my God! You got the short. Good job. You got that. Good job, Cole. Good, Tina. Get in there. Put him in the bathroom. You're going in the bathroom. Ever tell you I met Chaz Palmentieri about like 9 months ago? I was up in Bedford, New York. He was at a car wash. I walked into him. I said, Chaz? He goes, yeah, what's up?
Car wash.
Well, it's a Splash, getting a car wash. And he was getting his car wash there. So I said, hey, Chaz. I said, what's up, buddy? He goes, hey, man, how you doing? I said, good. I said, Chaz, can I ask you a question? I mean, it was genius the way you wrote Bronx Tale. But where'd you get up with the scene? Where'd you get the scene, put him in the bathroom? He says, I got to tell you, that just came out of nowhere. He said, we were rehearsing, and JoJo was up against me, and I couldn't take it. And he said, Bobby, put him in the bathroom. I swear it's hysterical. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. The people I run into sometimes just hysterical. I couldn't even say the word short up there. Oh, my God. It was so fast. Jesus. Up 30, down 30 in a blink. There you go. So today, I want to just teach you something, right, about trading, okay? When you're long things, especially with these pop, fade to pop, or, when they pop like that, always have offers out there, okay? Long end or short, okay? Corzel, right? So when you got the push up, like today, for example, Junior behind me was long some NASDAQ. So I said, offer some out I would offer some out at 87. All of a sudden, it's trading like 69, 71, 66. Boom! Right to 87, and then dropped. He says, oh my God, I just got filled at 87. And then it dropped like 24, 25. So I'm the type where in this type of crazy market, it's always good to have your offers or your bids out there, okay? So I think that's something that, you should really practice on, especially if you're, learning how to use the DOM. And, I think now it's 800 degrees in here. Now, the one thing I will tell you, okay, is that using the DOM, look at them. Here we go. They're breaking. All right, you could take a scalp long here on the NASDAQ anywhere between, you can go 60 to 90 range. Just keep it tight on the keep it tight 30 here. All right, why they're breaking? I mean, come on, this war is not going to end. Oh, I'm going to call you C. You're on a train right now. Why are you on a train? You should be home. Hey, Miriam. How are you, Miriam? Okay. Bitcoin trade. Anybody trading Bitcoin futures? That's something that my fund of futures gives you. Okay. If you're long the NASDAQ below 90, I just scale out above even. You get them? Below 90?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Again, you're making new lows here, non-confirmation. So we'll just see here. Gold just rallied about 6 just now. Oh, it's early morning in India? Okay. Oh, market's only allowed to sell in the Asia session? That's not true. I've seen the market rip to the upside. Okay. John, I'm giving a range, looking to buy between 90 and 60. So if you're going to trade the Nasdaq, you have to learn how to scale in. I just don't do like I had someone call me on Friday, said I'm up 270 points trading the Nasdaq. I buy it and I put my stop in and then put my offer in. I said that's not trading. That's not trading. That's gambling. That's gambling. Okay, you want to trade, you scale into a position and you scale out of the position. Okay. I do not trade single lot entries, period. Again, you could buy the NASDAQ below 90 here. Okay. When I'm trading stocks, I always do something like, let's say I'll start with maybe 2 or 3,000 shares, and then I'll go 6,000, then 9,000, and then maybe 18,000 if it gets crazy enough for me. Okay. Like on Friday, I was down about $35,000 on AMD. The stock went parabolic from, I think, 19 and a half to 27. Okay. NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out the longs if you bought below 90 on the prior bar. Okay. And so you want to hear something crazy? Gold just ran 10. So you want to hear something crazy? Is that when it dropped down to like 19, I was bidding 1964. The low is 1971. I missed it by 7 cents, and AMD ripped $8 on me, and I was trading in and out the whole way up. By the end of the day, the stock dropped. I think I lost like $1,000 at the end of the day, but I was down 35,000 at one point just on that one name. But other names I made. I'm just talking about AMD. Okay. All right. Gold should not be up here, but you want to take a scalp short on gold, 19 and a half up to 27 and a half range. Okay. Put that gold, got down to 07 and a half. Again, the 30s and the 15s are bullish. We'll see what happens. Now, S&Ps cannot get going. I think the S&Ps are eventually going to get. Do you plan on a vacation? A class? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I plan on a vacation. I think my vacation is going to be probably the 19th of December, right after Christmas. Spend time with my kids. And then on the 26th, I'm thinking about going to Thailand for 2 weeks. So I'm thinking about going to Thailand for 2 weeks. I probably never come back. At that point, I'll be 64 years old come that February. Like, what do I need? You know? Why do they call that range for long? Well, because I'm deeply oversold on both the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame, John. And when you got okay, and when you push down to new lows here, I knew the MACDs were not going to confirm the low right there. No, Wooly. Come on, Wooly. Go to Spain? I may. I don't know. I haven't decided. Spain, Ibiza. I don't know. No. Thailand. Levi's going. No. I've never visited India. Probably a good place to go. I don't even know where to go. If I go, I would probably go with someone that's been there before. Brazil. Oh yeah. I might be going to Brazil or Colombia soon, actually. Anybody from Colombia or Brazil? They're in ADs from a town called Phuket. 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 All right, gold, if you're short, look to cover below 17. Okay. Argentina. Oh, yeah. Argentina's amazing, man. My friends went there, and they absolutely loved it. Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Oh, yeah. Argentina is good. Look at the NASDAQ making new lows. All right. Let's see here. S&Ps. Okay. I think the S&Ps are in trouble here. I think the NASDAQ's going to get crushed. Brooklyn, New York is great in December. Not a chance. I'm not going there. Okay. nobody comes back from Thailand. That's what they said. That's the way to do it. All right, NASDAQ. I look to buy this NASDAQ anywhere between the 55 and 85 range. Gold pushing down. S&Ps. Maybe you could take a scalp long here, 79.5 to 84.5. Okay. Gold just ran about 12. Dominican Republic, another great place. Sanctuary. Oh my God. That's beautiful. The DR. I can go see Bear Trader, right? Boredom blows the counts. Well, that was a nice short right there, but we'll see. I think you may get some type of a pop here. Gold, I would look to short 20, oh my God, 21.5 up to 28.5 on the gold. Bolivia, oh my God. Colombia, I have to go to Colombia. NASDAQ, look to skill out any longs between 87 and 93. If you're long here, again, you just rallied 10. I'm thinking I might have to go to Colombia. Yes, sir. Right, Henny? Daddy's got to go to Colombia. Hey, Henny boy. Remember when Angry Sushi, please take that down. Okay. All right, NASDAQ just rallied 10. I love the Asia session anyway. Gold just dropped 2. Just now, gold. Gold just dropped 2. So my NASDAQ pushing up here again. NASDAQ. There goes the NASDAQ. Just ran 1518 off the low. This NASDAQ's on crack. I love it. People, more and more people. Hey, Steven, do you have any discounts for Pride Month? I'm not answering that. I don't do discounts anyway. The only discounts I try to do, if you're a veteran, you have to prove you're a veteran. Then there's a chance I can give you a discount on my live stream. On my SK Trading, on my SK Trading.live, the complete trader is $4.50 a day. Okay. Seven likes. Come on, guys. Can you hit the like button? Come on. Also on the SK Trading YouTube. Also, I have a podcast. A 20% pullback. You ain't getting that. You're getting that. Papa Trump. He'll forget it. He'll turn on the faucets. Can we get the like buttons up on both the SK Trading and the SK YouTube and the okay. All right. There goes the NASDAQ back up. What is that?
Keeps putting a link in your.
I have no idea. Streamlabs? I don't know what that is. Anybody get long the NASDAQ? Just ran 17 off the low. You can see the S&Ps are moving, right? Mm-hmm. So you might as well switch to NASDAQ for you. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Too slow, not moving, okay? But vacation in Hawaii? I don't know. Look at the NASDAQ go up 30. You see the buy divergence, the deep, John, you see that? The deep oversold, you get long? Now S&Ps, I scale, now the S&Ps go. Are you long?
I was scalping them.
All right, good. How much you make? Dude, I'm happy
Okay.
for you. Your goal is 100s for tonight. Okay? Okay? Because you know what you're doing? You're showing me you're doing it, not me doing it for you. Right? Okay? All right. Good job, Jeffrey. NASDAQ just ran 30. Kaboom. S&Ps just ran about 3. There you go. I don't agree with that, Q Mendez. Okay. NASDAQ, you can look gold, you can short here again, 23 up to 30 and a half. Look at this NASDAQ. You see the deep oversold conditions on the 15 to 30, the 60s, plus you're making new lows here, and the MACDs cannot confirm the low. Look at the S&Ps go, up 4. Okay? Jeffrey, you get the long. There you go. Gary, fade. This is not a pop. Fade the pop. That's my t-shirt. Brad Allen, if you're new, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, okay? I'm going, DL, to Colombia, I think, in 2 weeks. I might have to go to a conference. Anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream? David, thank you very much. You can please text me your full name and email to my cell phone at 914-500-7484. What? Look at the NASDAQ. 40 up. You got the long at 30.90? Good job. Just ain't right. Will I visit India? Yeah, maybe someday. But I would only go with people I know. I don't know where. I'm going to find out, DL. And then Wednesday I'm having a meeting. I'll find out. All right, now gold's going to reverse to buy. Oh, so tired. It's Monday. Oh, my God. Gold's going to reverse to buy on the 60-minute time frame. So with the sequences, you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. If you look here on the gold. All right, this gold. Look to cover any gold here between the 21.5 and the 24.5 range. You should get a nice push down here. Well, you can't be scared. You killed on the 30-minute today? Oh, my God. They were monster shorts up there. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. Get in there. You got to be up over 500. 350. Come on, you're weak. Let's go. Weak. Weak. You can't be scared trading. There's no fear in trading. What? Get a fan. Just go to Target and get a fan.
Yeah, in the morning I'm stopping to get an air
conditioner. There's no air conditioning. You'll blow the circuits here.
I'm gonna buy one.
Come on, I love the heat. All you gotta do is throw sand down. You think you're at, all you gotta do is throw sand down. You think you're at Juno Beach. You see the picture I sent you with the turtles? See? Who?
The cups.
Cups. They're not there. No, you got to go in the kitchen and get them. But it's warm though. The Pepsi's warm.
Yeah, so what?
You want to drink warm Pepsi?
Yeah.
What are you, retarded?
Maybe.
Oh my God. There's no fear in trading. There's no crying in trading. There's no fear in trading. Look at the gold drop.
They're sweating though.
They're sweating in trading. There's heat in trading. Boy, this is the hottest it's been. All I need is Henny to. If Henny lets one go, we're dead.
It'll blow up.
Oh, if Henny lets one go, we're running for the hills. Forget it. Most repeated phrase in the Bible. Oh my God. Palm Tree Trader, where you living? Scared money makes no money. You try trading SanDisk and Micron, you got to have the strength of Samson. Trade those. My friend said to me a couple nights ago, are you crazy trading those names? All right, gold's a buy here. If this gold pulls into the 11.5, 18.5 range, it's the buy off the double blue buy. Right? There's no crying. No, not in casino. I don't think I ever cried in a. I don't think even in the toughest games of my life, playing football or baseball, I never shed a tear. I just said it's a game. Next, it's over. Bring it in. Over. Oh, my eyes. Got a nice bull flag. Look at the we had the look. Nasdaq just ran 50. All right, there's the link. Sign up for the link. Let's go. My friend, the futures, both of you. Go ahead, go to there and sign up and see if you win. Okay? I call out numbers at the end. Go Nasdaq, Mikey Jacques. Get in there. Mikey Jacques is from Calgary. Brad, you should talk to Mikey. I can't believe the Canadians got killed. The 5-minute MACD said buy me. Exactly. You made new lows, non-confirmation. Right? Johnny M, how are you? Andrew left from Clifton Research, found guilty of security. Who the hell is he, Ryan? Who the hell is he? Hey, Elsie, how are you? And again, if anybody new would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. Ugh. What?
He just
Oh. All right, gold's pulling in here. I'm really waiting. I'm broken, guys. My left knee. Well, you know what, Simon? Life's about peaks and valleys, and you know what? Things will change. It can't get any worse than what it is, right? When things were going really bad for me and things were coming at me left and right, you know what? I always believed, and the good Lord always came through. What a bear flag on the NASDAQ. Jesus, just got kabooshed. S&P's dropped 3. NASDAQ, should have left the NASDAQ. Nice little bear flag on the NASDAQ here. Short? Nice short here on the NASDAQ on the bear flag. 22 just dropped here. Oof. My eyes were burning me. Couldn't see. All right. Sun is the best medicine for really? Okay. Nasdaq just if it hits 92 it'll be 30 down. I think you're gonna get another push up here on the Nasdaq. Here we go. Not yet. It just gotta wait. Oil. Anybody? We had some really great longs here in shorts and oil today. Oil, of course, hit the high. What 93? I think at one point today. 94. Look at it, kabooshed. Oh my god. Now, if he had bought more at 87, right?
Yeah,
You're out at 94. Out, right?
Yeah, get it. But I mean, when you said it to him on Friday, I would have.
I said I buy more oil here. I buy more oil here at 87.
Yeah, I would have.
Right? Bring your average price to 94.
Especially since he's holding it.
Well, I mean, like, right. You know, and I'm like, if you're long oil at 97, you got to back up the truck at 87, right?
Yeah, if you
So that's how I looked at it.
liked it at 97.
And so if that's the case, then at 94, just the next day over, you're out. Boom, you break even on a trade. Sometimes some of my best trades break even were the best.
Yeah, because it could have been a lot worse.
I literally remember a trade I did. A friend of mine called me from a big firm. He says, Stevie, telephone. I got 100,000 and 65. So I'll take them. By the time I said take them, I picked the phone. I was on the phone with my guy. I go, sell 100,000 and 65. So it cost me $6,000 for the trade to break even. After I hit the 65 bid in telephone, guess what happened? The stock went to 64 and a quarter. So I would have been down 75,000, right? I bought it and I sold it within a millisecond. So probably one of my fastest trades I've ever did. $13 million in a trade, like in literally 40 seconds. Really unbelievable. All right. Gold dropped about 10 here. It should get one more push up here. Nasdaq, S&P is getting kabooshed. There goes the oil. Nasdaq just dropped 40. Gold should get one more push up. So what did he do that he was convicted of securities fraud? Now the AC's coming on. I feel it. Whoa, look at the oil. There goes the oil. Nasdaq going back to 92. I think the Nasdaq, if the Nasdaq gets down to the 50 to 80 range, I'd look to take it a long here. Gold should get one more push up on the gold. Nice bear flag on the Nasdaq. Okay. Right into the 10 bar. S&P's dropped 4. Nasdaq just dropped 40. Very, very, all right, let's just see here. Nasdaq can get another. Oh, no, he was short of stock. Oh, you can't do things like that, man. Come on, man. That's fugazi. You can't do that. You can't short a stock and then tweet about it. Come on, man. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember. You ever remember a guy named Dan Dorfman? Right? You guys anybody old enough to remember a guy named Dan Dorfman? Remember him? He'd be buying a bunch of names, and everybody 11:30 would be like this on the edge of their seat, right? And he was like, "Well, I'm hearing that Lululemon's going to be in play and going to get bought out, and then meanwhile he's long, and meanwhile he's selling. He's got offers all the way up, and everybody's running to buy it. All the Souls Bandits guys here. Nasdaq, if you bought them, sell above 90 here. If you bought 80s, Dan Dorfman, do you remember him? Oh my God, look him up, Dan Dorfman. He was with Financial News Network, and then eventually, I think later it became CNBC. Yeah. No, that's true. Bill Ackman can go on the mark, can short the market. I know it's a tough, it's a tricky area, you know. Um, who is the guy? Jim Canis, uh, big short seller. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. I think the market's going down. Right? Unbelievable. Dan Dorfman. He would move stocks, man. But then, okay, then they got smart to him. The specialists would get all these gigantic buy after like months and months and months. These specialists figured it out. So when he came on 11:30, let's say he said, "I'm hearing that DuPont might be getting taken over," and then DuPont, boom, would start running. The specialists would freeze the book. Okay, they would freeze the book, right? And then they would do one big print up $4 on DuPont, and then I would get short the hell out of it. Secret hedge fund coordination. Prosecutors prove left secretly alerted hedge funds before publishing the trade calls, allowing them to capitalize on the market boost. He subsequently hid these financial arrangements by fabricating invoices using third-party wire transfers. Wow, he's finished. He's done. He should have ran to Thailand. he should have Andrew. He made like 20 million. Here's what I would have did. I would have left 5 million to St. Jude's Catholic Church, and then 15 million on a plane right to Thailand, and left everything behind. Right? That's what I would have done. It's not that hot in here. You're from Thailand, for Christ's sake. And I feel the AC.
I don't have a problem with the heat.
I feel the AC.
But when I'm in a building,
oh my God. Oh my God. Stop complaining.
I'm gonna bring an ice cooler.
I think this NASDAQ, it gets down to the 45, 75 range. I'd be looking to buy it if it gets one more push. We need gold to get one more push up into the positive MACD. The SEC didn't overlook Madoff. Are you crazy? Remember, watch the guy on YouTube. He said he reported Madoff at least 6 times, if I'm not mistaken. 6 times to the SEC, right? You think they didn't know what was going on? There's no extradition in Thailand. That's what I would have did. I would say, guys, nice knowing you. I'm getting the hell out of here. Hasta la vista, baby.
You gotta pay.
Good. You give them $5 million, live there forever. They'll take it.
Yeah, they'll come around.
And you throw them a bone, right? Why they look the other way? I can't say. Where's Leonardo? Palm tree trader, he jumped. No, not Leonardo. I'm talking the guy from the SEC. Boom. You long? You long?
No, it's like
Indicator.
What happened? You're not getting something? What happened? Talk to me, Goose. NASDAQ. This gold. 16 off the highs. What's your daily basis? Oh yeah. Do I think? Listen, hasta la vista, baby. I think they're gonna get one more push up here on the gold. Do I think the financial news outlets, I think they don't know what they're doing. I really think I just my personal opinion. I think they just mumbo jumbo. I don't know. I haven't met one person that can make money watching any of these shows on CNBC or Bloomberg or anything. That's just from my years of it. I don't know if anybody knows anybody. I'd love to talk to them. Okay. Pretty long. They were saying buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. No, that's news to me. There's nothing really going on. You're 500. That's not good. That's not bad. Nasdaq, I think, can go to 75 or 70 here. Yeah, I guess. Yes. Oh, let's see. Gold can get one more push up here. What? The market? Yeah. What a bear flag on that 22 print on the Nasdaq. Gold should get one more push up. What a short on that gold, though. We go 75 on the Nasdaq. Let's see here. What are we doing here on the Nasdaq? 75, 75 and a half. Damn it. Should get one more push up here on the Nasdaq. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could please text me your cell phone number to my cell phone number, your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Also, hey, Gabriel Trades. All right, let's see if this Nasdaq. Why is this Nasdaq down 200? I mean, here we go. Nasdaq I think topped out today. I think that's it right there. 30,693. I think that's the top. Stuart Varney, I love. Charles Payne, I don't know too much about. I was on with Stuart Varney once. Stuart Varney's the man. Stuart's a good man. I was on with Maria. I know Maria for about 30 years. What was Tesla getting caboose today? Because of Rivian, right? Rivian was up big today. Yeah, Maria. I know Maria Bartiromo. Yep. Very nice person. Really great. Great person, I have to say. Nasdaq, if you got below 75 here, look to start scaling out above 80 here on the Nasdaq. Really nice long here. Okay.
Exactly what I did.
Good. All right, do it again. Okay, this time I'd probably go a little lower. I'd probably go like maybe 43 to 73 range on the Nasdaq. Who's the guy with the toupee on CNBC? Who's that? Maria did not marry a guy named Mario. Here we go. Oh, what a short up there on this bear flag. Oh my God. Now these 15s and 60s are deeply oversold here on the Nasdaq here. Oh yeah. These the 6 or an 8 oversold reading. I like Maria a lot. She's good people. Actually great people. Here goes the Nasdaq breaking, making new lows here. S&P's making. I can't believe this. Down 300 off the highs. I know the Nasdaq's finished. I'm just looking for. I think you can just scalp longs here. That's all. That's all. But plus you got these 60-minute time frames deeply oversold. All right, Nasdaq can be skilling out of longs here. So, here you go. Here you go. Come on. What are you doing? Off the phone.
Come on, I've got set.
You're long?
No, it
This is,
didn't
you know,
hit.
can I just tell you another thing between you and I?
Yes.
I noticed something today versus Friday. And I want to tell
I
you.
was behind you on Friday.
Yeah, but I still have eyes behind my back of my head. You are more on your phone today than on Friday. I swear, I'm just going to be bluntly honest.
Yes, sir.
No, seriously. You want it to crash, get behind me. But I don't think that's going to happen until July or August. All right, Nasdaq just got up. Gold just got finished. Gold just got finished. Gold, you could probably take a long here on the gold anywhere between the 98 and 05 or 97 and 04. It goes right back up. Nasdaq, I look to buy it again here, 35 to 65 or 30 to 60 range. Get off your phone.
I'm not on it.
Okay.
I've
Exactly, futures trader. Phone should be in the car. There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold. Put him in the bathroom. Bobby, put him in the bathroom. Boom. Nasdaq.
got it.
The gold?
No,
Gold just rammed $10.
I can't do two.
Oh my God. Look at the gold rally. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a long in gold.
Just got short.
Nasdaq again pushes down to the 30-60 range. You should be trading Nasdaq, okay? How much you up today? That's you have turned the corner. I'm so happy. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Compared to what you were doing today, I'm not kidding. I am beyond ecstatic. Hi, boo boo. I won't let Henry eat you now. Come on. Daddy loves you. Hi, my boy. I love you. Daddy loves you. Ooh, Daddy loves you. Ooh, my boy loves you. Love my boy. Daddy. Look at the NASDAQ go. You long the NASDAQ? Ran 17. Right here. You got to keep looking up these longs here. 57 just ran 20. You had like 7 longs in a row here on the NASDAQ. Where's Jennifer?
3 or 4 of them.
That okay. That goal was beautiful. You pushed down to new lows. The MACDs did not confirm the low. So look at the NASDAQ. I'm sorry. Look at gold here on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. When gold made the new low, okay, right here, when gold made the new low right down here to 02, 01, did the MACD make a new low on the 30? No. Did the MACD make a new low on the 15? No. That's a slingshot. Okay, that's a slingshot. And I got one better. If you look at the 60-minute time frame right here, you can see that gold on this push down during the Asia. Forget that. I'm talking the Asia market. 8 o'clock did not make a new low. That was a down and then like a trampoline, down and then up. Boom. Okay, that was a Picasso. A slingshot. Get in there, Jennifer. Okay, NASDAQ right back up. NASDAQ. What's that? NASDAQ back up. Beautiful. Look at that, 57. Ran 20 on that. That was beautiful. So I'm saying when gold pushed down, that's why I said, look at this. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Wow. All right, beautiful long there. That was great. Jennifer, get in there. All right, gold. Look at the NASDAQ run. Wow. What's the RSI at? What? What's the RSI at?
What?
I don't know what they're talking about. On the NASDAQ, it's got to be what, 80, 85. What is the high? I can't go any higher. What is it? I didn't see what David put. 99. Oh, 99 RSI on SanDisk. Ah! I don't know. Maybe 2000 is the top. Who knows? Tris, how are you, Tris? My gold just got kabooshed. All right. Up to 13. SanDisk 99 RSI. Wow. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, sir.
So on the all
Which
the
one?
MACDs on the
Yep.
and all the train.
Right, but the 5-minute MACDs are not confirming the low. And
Okay.
plus, you're deeply oversold on the 15, 30, and 60. I'm scalping longs.
Okay.
Okay. But you are in what's called a sell disconnect, right? So what you want to do is try to get some type of a bounce. If we had enough time, you want to short the bounce on the 15 or the 30-minute time frame, right?
Right.
That's when, but you can scalp longs.
Okay.
As long as that MACD on the 5-minute time frame does not make a new low.
Okay.
Okay? So if that
I see.
MACD on the
It's
5-minute
flat.
time,
Okay.
what? No, it's higher than, yeah, I'll consolidate it, right? So if you do this here, right? You can see that the MACD did not confirm the low right here.
Oh, okay, that low.
See?
I got it.
Right there?
Yep.
Now if the MACD starts making a new low, then I would just look to short bounces.
Okay.
Because you don't know where the bottom can be.
Understood.
Right?
Yeah.
So that's a great question though. I like that. That's a good one. You see it, look at them go. Right?
Right.
Right? You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 or 6 longs off of that pattern. Now now that's from experience though. Like the S&Ps, okay, the S&Ps ran 3, right? Look at the NASDAQ.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the NASDAQ just ran 30, right? You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay? So that's experience right there. Okay? Something happened to the chat. What happened? Okay, can we short gold? Not yet. Okay? That's why I think for you, okay, as much as I don't want to say it like this, the NASDAQ might be a little bit better for you. Just while you're on this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because you're getting your confidence. You asked a really great question. You took probably 3 or 4 longs. What do you have, about $1.50, $1.60?
Yeah.
Better than this today?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You sat there like a zombie. Right? Penny would have pulled the trigger faster. The thing's running like, are you long? Yeah. Are you out?
But
No.
you gotta be careful with NASDAQ.
Yeah.
No, listen, you got to be careful with NASDAQ. You got to be careful with everything.
All of them, but
Okay? I mean, gold right back up
NASDAQ's
from
a little bit
01
slow
to
right
18. Is your wife watching?
Problem.
Hi, Ashley. Ashley, right?
Yep.
Hi, Ashley. He's getting better, Ashley. I have to say, he's getting better. Okay? Today you look like you saw a ghost. Poor guy.
Hey, he just drove in.
He's shell shocked from driving from Buffalo. Oh my God. Get in there, Ashley. Right? See that? Oh my God. Silver and gold. Where's this gold going? Look at this NASDAQ. Are you long? All right. Jesus, NASDAQ. 50, 40 on the NASDAQ. Okay. Who got that long there? Can we short gold? Not yet. I'd probably look to short the gold. I go maybe 22 to 30. Not long on the phone. All right. Nobody got that long on the S&Ps? What are you, crazy? Oh my God. Where are we looking to short the NASDAQ? Who's looking to short the NASDAQ? You got to wait for look at this. You got a ton of, probably if it gets up to the 05, 10 maybe. Okay. There you go, plunky poo. There you go. That's a 40 handle rally. Your long gold from 505, I'd be scaling on the longs. It just dropped 5 on the gold. I watched last night Top Gun Maverick. That was pretty cool, though. I did feel bad for Val Kilmer, though, at the end, though. I did feel bad. You did?
Yeah, you know that movie?
We had it at the house?
It's on YouTube.
It is?
Yeah.
How's it free on YouTube?
It is.
NASDAQ gets up above 400, maybe. Oh my God, look at the gold drop. Gold just dropped 8. Did they get to 22? I don't think so. 21. Look at this. 21.6. May you rot. All right, Nasdaq just dropped 11. S&P's just dropped 2. But that's a good job today. I think the Nasdaq. I think as much as I never would recommend, say, not to recommend, but as much as I think the Nasdaq, I think you're okay with the Nasdaq. And I don't think beginners should trade the Nasdaq only from the simple fact that you'll have nightmares. But I'm just serious. I think that you can handle it because you would never made $150 trading S&Ps, right? Do you agree? Okay, because you go, the volatility is better in the Nasdaq. I understand that, but he's got. You know what? To be honest with you, that's the only way he's going to get better on the dollar.
I agree.
Right, Henny? Told Joe today, Joe, you got to call me before you come in the door. Right?
Yeah.
You just can't pop in here like you own the joint. Henny will eat you. Right, Henny? You eat everybody. Henny, get off the electric socket. Are you crazy? Look at him. That socket. I love you. I love my. I love you. I love you so much. Oh. Mikey Jacques, you got that long down there, Mikey Jacques? Get in there. Over the socket. Of course. Will I trade SpaceX ICO? Probably. When is that coming out? What's the symbol?
It's usually best not to.
Listen, are you crazy? I trade everything. CRM today. Look at this CRM. Oh my God, CRM. CRM.
That's where you start getting messed up.
Nice. It's not a movie theater. You got to come on. All right. CRM, CRWV, CRWV. Another crazy one. What's this thing do? Oh my God. Unbelievable. 569. Not yet. Gold just got kabooshed. Jesus, gold just dropped 9, 10. Oh my God. Missed it by 0.40. Should have went 21. Got to short the gold? Okay. Gotta be up over 6, 7. You gotta make back the. So you made back the 900 you lost? Are you lost? If I get in trouble, I'm gonna have your wife represent me for free.
We don't do.
But you got to. I don't care. Then she's got to do something.
We only do employment law.
SP. Well, this is employment. June 12th. Okay. SPAX. Thank you, David. All right. Now it's getting kind of quiet here. I am SPAX. Where's this thing priced to come out? Goldman Sachs can make $1 gazillion on this deal. Goldman. Now I gotta go to this body place tomorrow. I gotta
Screen.
Now I gotta be a defense attorney. It's crazy. I go get my car fixed, right? I tell them I need my trunk fixed. They give me a price. I said, while you're here, I'm here. Can you look at these two pieces? They go, okay, we'll give you, okay. All right, just do the trunk. Thank you very much. I come back today, Mr. Kalayjian, your car is ready. I go pick up the car. It's like something out of the Twilight Zone. I walk to get my car, and my trunk's still messed up. I said to the guy, what am I missing here? He says to me, well, we fixed the quarter panel. I said, I came for the trunk. Now I gotta be at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I gotta be the Tasmanian devil. You know what I'm saying? This is why they made scotch. It's insane. All right. It's available to retail investors, really? $1.8 trillion. What's the commission on 1.8 trillion for Goldman? What do you think they'll make? Probably make about 600. Oh, 5%, 6%. What do you think a deal like that will bring them?
What is it, Goldman, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, Goldman Sachs. It's probably
Commission with Goldman Sachs.
Finally, good job.
$1 billion trade.
4%. Not making no 90 million.
No, 900.
900 million?
It's not right.
I
It's on
think
the IPO, right?
yeah. I think they're probably good for. Wow, look at the bear flag on the Nasdaq. Sell the 400s on the Nasdaq. That's what they're gonna make.
72 million.
Mr.
Underwriting fees.
125 million. I don't think so. Doesn't sound right. That sounds very light. Anybody short the Nasdaq up here? You're short from 90. Good job. Okay, I would lower your stop. I would trade it. Morvad from Italy. And you shouldn't be trading down there. I was calling ranges up here to short. You're short here. You're short?
No,
Yeah, 800 million to $1 billion. Exactly what the fees are going to be. I said 600 million.
who said that?
This is what Ryan's saying. I agree with Ryan. $800 million. Yeah, they're crazy. There's no way. Goldman said, take a walk. The problems with these new issues, you can't really trade them from the short side. You can't trade them. You can't trade from the short side. That's the problem. Well, I hope everybody Wow, what a drop on the NASDAQ. All right, that was a nice, just dropped 30 on this bear flag. Left it up there, 400. Crypto. So Goldman got 300 million from Alibaba in 2014 on a $25 billion raise. So 25 billion, you got to do, it's got to be $1 billion. Probably. In 2014, on a $300 million raise, Goldman got 300 million they got on a $25 billion raise.
Right.
8 trillion.
Oh, you said 1.8 billion.
I said trillion is the deal.
Okay, fine. That's a little bit different.
All right, NASDAQ, I mean, the gold on the double blue was beautiful. NASDAQ dropped 40. S&Ps dropped 4. Gold on the double blue, beautiful. Right here, the gold reversed to buy on the 15, on the 5, pushed down to 10, just rallied 9. Beautiful long. Beautiful double blue buy. Extraordinary Cave Trader, please text me and I'll call you later, 914-500-7484. I think the Knicks are going to win. There goes the gold, right back up 10. Penny. All right. Wow, what a long on the gold. Hi, boo-boo. Hi. Hello, my boy. Daddy loves you. Hello, my boy. Hello, my boy. Daddy. Really?
Yeah, the large.
This is the largest IPO ever.
They're saying the large.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gold just got hit here. NASDAQ. Boom. If you bought the NASDAQ again below 60, oh my God, right back up. Wow, up 20. Jesus. You get long?
Yeah.
Good job. On the 30 to 60 range on the NASDAQ. Again, you're making new lows, non-conform. Look at this. Look at even here on the 5-minute. Oh, 57. Oh, 50. 50. Wow. 30. You see here, the MACDs turned positive. You made the new low. These 15s, the 60s, and 30s are turning up. What a great long. The ADX were awesome. Wow, base hits. Good job. Get the long?
Yeah.
You see how the MACDs are positive here? Over here?
Where you looking?
Look at the big screen.
Okay.
See how you made new lows? That's why I called the 420, the 30 to 60 range, right? You made the new low. The MACDs are non-confirming. When they said you want to buy NASDAQ, I said, nope, wait for another push down.
Yep.
Okay? That's it. Beautiful. Base hits, that's a great job. Because sometimes you put bids out there. When I called the range 30 to 60, maybe people put bids out there already ahead of time. Okay? Yeah, limit orders waiting, correct. Base hits, that's a great job. 40. That's too low. But do you see the positive MACDs? You see this, Tom, right here?
Yeah.
See how the once this I saw it. Once the MACD turned positive, and I said 30 to 60, I knew it's like a trampoline, down and then up, right? Okay, especially with the deep oversold conditions on the bigger time frames. So I knew that because that MACD turned positive, if it dropped, you take the long on that with that positive MACD. You see that? That's a Picasso. Oof. Yep. I don't think anybody could react to that. I think people had limit orders in. What a long. Hey, Jimmy. Wow, what a long. I think that's it. Think Nasdaq should go over 400? Could be with these 30s and 60s. Anyway, I stopped petting Henny. He keeps nudging me. At it all the time. Go with your daddy. He loves you. All right, well, that was a nice 35-point rally on the Nasdaq. Also, something very difficult to understand? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. You'll see many Picassos. Many Picassos. All right, well, congratulations to the over-unders today. I mean, the over-overs. Went 2 for 4. How you doing? Good?
Yeah.
Are you rotating accounts or you just on one?
No, I'm rotating.
Good. Oh, what time is it? All right. We got about, here we go. We got about, I'd say 14 minutes before the raffle. I hope everybody signed up. What? Too late. You only get 10-minute window. Well, I told you when the yellow thing comes out, you have to sign up.
Yeah, we tried.
I want to let you. You have to go to My Fund the Future's YouTube. And why would
They let you?
no?
They asked me for
You have to create one.
plans.
You have to create one.
They-
You have to create.
No, it wasn't even loaded on my. I have a YouTube account.
All right. Well, you're gonna be here tomorrow night. You got to figure it out. Lucky mom, you got one. Congratulations. Look at them drop. That was a nice short right there. 90 again. They're in this tight range here. Oh wow. Just dropped 35. Jesus. NASDAQ. What brand? Uh, WID Widmer. Widmer. I think I got it out of Arizona. It cost me like $300-400. I'm never giving it up. Captain GK, how are you? Okay, wow, the NASDAQ just dropped 40. Damn it. All right, you could probably look to take another long here, anywhere between the 20 and 50 range on the NASDAQ. Keep it tight, deeply oversold again. Little bear flags with these ADXs rising. See these ADXs here? What's the low here? 5. You could probably go 20, 30, 25 to 55 on the NASDAQ. Go every 10. Gold should get one more push up. Gold here. You think gold's going down? I think gold's going to 4,000. Was it from the CME trading floor? No, I actually bought this. Now, wow, what did it get down to just now? Did it get down to 55? 50. I'm going to do the raffle. So whenever you see the orange thing that go by here, right? Right in the, like, between 8:30 and 9:15, you have to click on that and then create an account with a YouTube ID, right? Okay, got it. Good tonight?
Yeah,
Happy.
okay.
See? Okay. NASDAQ, if gold gets down to the 02.5, 10.5, I look to buy it. Jesus, NASDAQ hit 55 and bounced. That might have been right before. NASDAQ just ran 25. You get long NASDAQ?
No,
No,
I was
Joe.
long with-
Oh, yeah. All right. I feel the air conditioning now.
Gee,
Oh, yeah.
you got it in your head.
No, I feel it. Blowing right here.
Yeah, I feel like, yeah.
All right. No problem. All right. We got the raffle here in 6 minutes. Good luck, everybody. I hope everybody signed up. Hey, boo boo. Hi, my boy. Hello, my boy. Hello, my. Oh, my honey, daddy loves you. All right. Gold dropping. Man, what a short up there, 21 and then 18. See here. Boy, S&Ps, you can't compare the S&Ps tonight to the NASDAQ. No way. No way. Wow, you're still short of 434? Well, you got to be careful with these 15 and 30-minute time frames being deeply oversold. So short gold? No, I'm looking to buy gold here on the double blue. Gold, what?
980.
Not bad. Good job. See?
It was cold in here.
Oh my God!
Oh,
You're
man.
paying my attorney fees. You're paying.
Okay. I'll represent you. Don't worry.
What's wrong with you? See, that's
It's the
lack.
heat,
That's
man.
lack of discipline.
It's the heat.
Hetty, go eat him.
It's the heat.
Go eat him. Go eat him. Daddy loves
Maybe
you.
it's menopause or something.
Jesus, you have no discipline, man. NASDAQ, let's see if this gold can get a push above 12 here. Look to exit longs 12 up to 13, 14, 15. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push.
Let's get
We're pushing NASDAQ.
Got it?
What are we pushing?
Gold, I said.
Oh.
NASDAQ, I probably go anywhere between the 25 and 55 range. The thing is, you see this ADX is rising here.
Where are you looking?
Right
Yeah,
here.
Okay, got it.
That's why these overbought, but let's see here. I can't believe it sends me a hockey puck. No, it's a fake one, but I think gold may get one more push up here. 15s and 30s. The MACDs are positive on the 15, on the 30 and 60s here. There you go, NASDAQ. Keep practicing, Tommy. That's all. Hey, Jesus. Good job, Jesus. Great job. Then it makes a difference. That's it. Look for one more push up on this gold. Trade your own money. That's all I trade is real capital. Not yet. I don't understand why you paid 157. It's 118.
Okay. Maybe with tax. I don't know.
With the New York taxes.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I
It's
was
one.
in Florida, charged me extra.
The rapid plan with the coupon is 118. I fund the futures.
No. I'm
All right, let's see if we get one more push up here. All right, Jennifer, you ready for the raffle? All right, everybody. Good luck today. We'll see if this goal can get one more push up. Good luck, everybody. Moon Boy, 1286. There you go. Moon Boy. Let me see how many we got tonight. 530. Wow. Okay. All right, and let's see what time. Any way you can make it bigger? The font's very hard to read. See if this goal can get one more push up. All right. Number 27. Number 27. Thank you, Denny. Number 27. Number 27. Kim Capital. Kim Capital. Congratulations, Kim Capital. Kim Capital. Kim Capital. Are you here? Hey, congratulations, Kim Capital. I mean, that's number one. Okay, number one. All right. Number 78. Number 78. Number 78. Oh, this gold's finished. Mir Sabir. S2N. Mir Sabir. I can't believe this gold dropped the way it did. This gold's finished. Mir Sabir. Am I saying it right? Mirsabbier. Mir Sabir. Mir Sabir. Give him a little time here. Mir Sabir. NASDAQ, you could look to exit longs here, 51 up to 58, 59. This gold's finished. Okay. Mir Sabir. That's number 2. Number 100. Number 145. Number 145. My God, this gold's getting killed. Number 145 is Jip Smith. Jip Smith 17. Jip Smith. Look at this gold. You get one more push up. This thing, if the 15's reverse to sell, then you gotta look to short. Congratulations, that's number 3. Number 225. 225. Number 225. And that is Olga Friendly and Olga Fridley and 2129. Oh my God, my brain hurts. Olga, are you here, Olga? Yep, that's here. How many is that, Jennifer? 4? Number 289. 289. These names are crazy. I'm telling you, D Hall. You try to do this. Johnny S22. Johnny S22. Johnny S22. Johnny S22. Number 289. There goes the NASDAQ. Come on, give me one more push. Johnny S22. Hey, congratulations. That's 5. Number 350. 350. Serial trader. Serial trader. Get in there. Good job, serial trader. Serial trader. Get in there. Serial trader. are you there? Serial trader. Number 411, NASDAQ, gold, right back up. 411. Number 411, that's number 6. 411. Tony Whosoever. Tony Whosoever. Tony, are you here? NASDAQ, I'll be scaling along 51 to 55, 58. Tony Whosoever. Wow, look at him. Tony. I think he's here. Here he is. Congratulations, Tony. Number, let's see. That's 7. Number 400, 470. Number 470. Look at the gold right back up. Gold just rallied 7. 470. Aaron Michael McKinney. Aaron Michael McKinney. Am I saying it right? Gold just rallied 8. Is that right? Got a short gold. Next bounce here. I would short this gold 05 up to 12. Hey, he's here. Number 505. Number 505. Number 505. Backstore. BAXXXTOR. Backstore. Backstore. Are you here? Come in, Manila. Backstore. 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 Are you here? And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484, to my Discord every Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. Backstore. I love doing this raffle. Backstore, are you here? We only got a couple minutes, Baxter, here left. BAXXTOR. Gold just dropped 5. Not yet. I'm sorry to say this, but if the clock hits 9:57, we go up 1 to 506, right? Backstore. Again, I was short this gold 505 up to 12 or 11. Backstore. All right, next. Britt Martin, 6778. Britt Martin. That's the way it goes. We always go up 1. Britt Martin, are you here? 6778. Is Britt Martin here, Jennifer? Britt Martin. Look, I think he's here. That's 9. Is that 9? Okay. Number. I'm gonna go low. 25. Number 25. ES going lower. Oh my God, Bear Trader. Bear Trader 64. Get in there. Is that Bear Trader? That's the Bear Trader. Oh my God, congratulations. Is that Bear Trader? Wow, get in there, Bear Trader. Wow. Oh my God, Bear Trader. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. All right, we got 2 minutes to go. NASDAQ, gold just rallied all the way back up. Gold just ran 10. Hope you guys took the long off the non-confirmation on the 5, 30, and 60. Again, I want to thank, oh my God, Bear Trader. Unbelievable. Congrats. All right, again, I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 to 10. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Matt. I really enjoy being here. I hope you guys really love it. Again, you guys are the best, and I'll let you know about this Vegas trip we're talking about. I think it might be September. Hopefully, God willing, we'll see. And again, if anybody wants to text me or get a 5-day free trial from me, if anybody needs any help with trading or anything you need my help with, you can just text me at 914-500-7484. You can text me your full name and email. Okay? Gold's beautiful bear flag setting up here on the 5. All right. NASDAQ hit 54. Why they down? I have no idea. With Hewlett Packard, I think the market's just going to get absolutely slaughtered. Okay? But again, I want to thank everybody. Okay? All right. With that being said, I want to say God bless you. Anybody with the 5-day free trial, please, I'll see you tomorrow. Again, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. God bless you. God bless our troops. And most of all, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Good night, Denny.